welcome to Princess Beauty TV. Today I'm going to be doing a new style on my 2-year-old daughter. Her name is Araya, and I'm going to style her hair with braids and twists in the front, and then I'm going to put her hair in 2 beautiful Afro puffs. So here's my tutorial on how to do this gorgeous style on your little princess head. Okay, I started by making a part, and I'm just going to put the hair in the back in a ponytail to get that out of the way. Here are the hair accessories I will be using on her hair, the hair products that I like to use, okay? And of course, water. Yes, gotta have the water. Okay, I'm going to part her hair right in the front in order to make the first braid. Okay, so now I'm braiding her hair. I just let her lay her little head down in Mama's lap as I braid it. And I'm braiding it the reverse way, the opposite way. Okay, kind of like the way you do when you do the tribal braids. Okay, now I got this one braid done. So now I guess I will just go ahead and put the beads on. So that's what I'll do right now. Okay, now it's time to just move on to the next section, and I will be making another part right here on the side to do another braid just like the one I just did. Okay, I'm just making sure I get the part nice and clean. Oh no, baby girl is getting tired on me. Don't fall asleep yet. We gotta finish this style. Okay, so now I'm just going to braid it up like I did the last one. Okay, now I'm going to get ready to do the same exact thing on this side. I will be doing 2 braids. So here we go. Okay, Now I'm going to just get ready to part her hair right in the middle so I can go ahead and do these other braids and twist. Okay, so I'm just putting the hair out the way. Alright, I don't know why baby girl was mean mugging, but I had to give her a piece of peppermint to calm her all the way down. So now I'm going to get ready to braid it. I did the braid like in a shape of a triangle to give it a little design. So I'm going to get ready to braid it like right now. Okay, right now I'm going to part another section. This a little bit smaller than the first section, and I will be doing it in a twist instead of a braid right here. Okay, so now I'm just braiding the other section right now. So I'm going to braid that up, and then I'm just going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, I am so excited because I'm almost done with this child's hair. All right, so I'm just parting it down the center, okay, and I'm just going to put it in 2 ponytails. How simple is that? So I'm just going to I just sprayed it with a little water, and hey, we're fixing to be finished with this hairdo. You like your hair? You did? Look at me. Look at the camera. Say hey.
Hey,
What else you gonna say?
I did. Hey.
Say like,
Like,
comment,
commit,
and subscribe. Love and kisses.